Welcome to our guide on how to work on a rich tax document. In this short video, we will take you through a step-by-step process on how to complete your tax documents if you have a higher income. Step 1. Start with your personal information. The first step is to fill out all your personal information, including your name, address, social security number, and date of birth. This is a critical step in ensuring that your tax documents are accurate. Step 2. Gather your financial information. Next, you will need to collect all your financial information, including your income, investments, and expenses. This information will help you calculate your taxable income accurately. Step 3. Review deductions and credits. Once you have gathered all your financial information, it's time to review your deductions and credits. If you have a higher income, you may qualify for additional tax deductions and credits that can significantly reduce your tax liability. Step 4. Review tax laws and regulations. As a high-income individual, your tax situation may be more complex than others. It's crucial to review all the relevant tax laws and regulations to ensure that you are complying with all requirements. Step 5. Choose the best filing method. Finally, it's essential to choose the best filing method that fits your unique tax situation. You can choose to file your tax documents electronically or by mail. In conclusion, by following these 5 simple steps, you can confidently complete your tax documents as a high-income individual. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your tax filings.